Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in this video we will see how you will confirm your email ID and how you will share your project in the Scratch. Okay, so first thing, once you will create your account in the Scratch, so you have to put one email ID. So you have to just go to that email ID. You will get one email like this, like confirm your Scratch account. So just you have to click on confirm my account. So now you can share your projects. Okay, so now we will see how you will create one new project in the Scratch. So you have to just click on this create button, and before that you have to first sign in here. Okay, so now just refresh this. Yes, perfect. So now once you will click on the create button, you will get your project here. So first I will explain you all the Scratch parts. So first thing, the Scratch is divided into three parts. So this is your first part. This one is our second part. This one is the third part. Okay. So the first part is called as palette window. So this is the palette. After that, this one is called as script area, where we will just drag and drop all the blocks according to our project need. And this third part is called as stage area, means where we will design our project. So this is called as the stage area. After that, if you want to delete any character, you can delete from here. If you want to add any sprites, means if you want to add any character, you can add from here. If you want to add any background, you can add from here. So in the Scratch, background is called as backdrop. So now if you will click here, it will show you four options. Choose a backdrop. You have to just click on that. You will get a paint option, like you can design your own backdrop also. You can surprise that. Even you can upload any backdrop. So if you will click on a choose a backdrop, you will get lots of options. Even you will get fantasy, music, sports, outdoors, indoors, space, underwater, patterns. Suppose if you want to add this ocean structure, just click on this. You will get that. If you want to delete the cat, so just click on the delete button. After that, how you will add your characters in Scratch. So first thing, the character is called as sprite. So just click on this choose a sprite, and same option you will get here. Like you can just click on this choose a sprite, or you can just design your sprite. You can surprise that or upload any sprite. So once you will click on that, again you will get lots of options. You will get the animals, people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, letters. Suppose if you want to add fish, so just click on the fish, you will get lots of options. So according to your choice, click on the fish. Suppose I'm selecting this one. So now this is your backdrop and this is the sprite. Okay. So this is our design part. So without instruction, if you want to move the fish, fish will not move. Okay. So how you will give the instruction to your fish? So that we will see in our next video. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day. And please like, share, and subscribe our videos. Code for Kids. Okay. Thank you so much.